Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. How you been doing? It's been a long time. So today I am in Glasgow, and I thought while I'm here I would take this morning to do a little bit of fabric shopping. So I did a little quick search on the old Google Maps, and it turns out there is quite a bit of fabric around here. So I'm not going to be able to go to all of it, but because I'm in the city centre, I'll go to about 3 that are in my vicinity, and let's see what we can find. First stop, we're at a place called MANDORS, and it's right across the road. You kind of go up here, that's like some sort of fashion studio, and then MANDORS is right there. That's where we're going. Okay, so just got into MANDORS. This place is pretty darn big. At first glance, there is a curtain fabric bit when you get into the front. Then you have to walk through a little haberdashery. There is a section behind me where there's like all the craft fabrics, and then behind me here you've got all the dressmaking stuff. So we're interested in dressmaking, and we're gonna go have a look in the haberdashery, see what there is. I'm excited. Let's go see some stuff. So in true Aisha style, I got completely overexcited in this first store, and I've already like gone way over the budget that I set myself for today. But it's okay, we're still gonna go to the other stores, and if there is some good stuff there, I will still buy some stuff because I am an actual addict and I can't help myself. But look at the stuff that I've got so far. Look at this, I'm so excited to make things from this. I love that. And I got a nice like pastel color palette, and I bought a few patterns as well because it's really hard to find McCall's in the UK. Okay, so we are done with MANDORS, and probably it's a good idea that I only chose like 3 places to go because yeah, I spent a lot of money in there. But I'm happy with my purchases, and this summer I'm gonna have some real cute outfits, so like I don't care. Okay, so we're gonna walk about 10 minutes down the road towards Argyle Street because the next place that we are gonna hit is called the REMNANT Kings. I believe they're actually pretty big as well, so hopefully I won't do too much damage there, but I am still very excited. So that is not far away. Let's get shopping. Okay, so I am now in Buchanan Street, on Buchanan Street, right in front of House of Fraser, because on top of it, on the first floor, is REMNANT Kings. Now, yeah, this is what I'm telling you because if you didn't know it was there, you'll totally miss it, but it is on the first floor, right up there. We're gonna go upstairs and try not to spend millions of pounds, but you know, we'll see. So we have left the REMNANT Kings, and I got a few pieces which I'm happy about, and I think we're just gonna go to one more place and then call it a day, because otherwise I'm not gonna be able to get this back home. So I'm going over to Fabric Bazaar, which is about 20 minutes away if you're walking from the center of town, which I am because it's a lovely day. And I'm just about to get up to it now, and we're gonna go see what that one's like. I'm excited. I'm also about to get run over. Whew. Okay, I found it. It's in a really random place. It's right next to some... I feel like we're kind of far out, but I found it, so let's go inside. Okay, so I've just walked out of Fabric Bazaar. Actually, the owners there are really, really nice. I got some free zips, which was pretty cool, and I have got some more fabric. I was trying not to, but I saw some really cute things, so I picked some stuff up. I've spent a stupid amount of money today, but I am gonna make stuff from all of these things, I promise. You'll probably see a few of these featured on a few Fabric Fridays, but for now I'm gonna go back to the hotel because I am not spending any more money. I'm literally going the direct route via no fabric shops because I can't spend any more money. No more money. Okay. Hey guys, so I am back in my hotel room, and I thought I would do a very quick fabric haul because I'm gonna probably be using a few of these for the next couple of Fabric Fridays where we will talk in depth about the actual fabrics. So I'm just gonna show you what I got, and yeah, if there is anything that catches your eye and you don't see it on a Fabric Friday coming up, let me know and I will tell you where I got it and all that jazz. But I did get quite a lot, so let's go. Okay, so starting with this pile here, so we've got 3 piles, 1, 2 and 3. This was the first store I went to and I got a little bit overexcited. Second store and the third store I only just got 2 things, but here we go. So at MANDORS I picked up this really nice pattern. You know me, I seem to be attracted to like tropical leaf print. I will get it in every color because I don't think I can ever have enough. So I got 4 meters of this, which is this is a viscose, so it's quite drapey, which is exactly what I wanted. And I'm looking for like maybe some sort of a long maxi dress type. This is like what was it called? It was like a cotton linen. It was like a linen blend, and it's kind of textures, as you can see, but it is like a linen. This one was kind of expensive, but I really liked the green, and it kind of complements that kind of green. So I got 3 meters of this because I want to make some sets with that. Like all of these in mind, I had like those summer sets, so this is why I got quite a bit. Then we have this like grey marl looking linen type fabric, which I got 3 meters of. And then I got the same in this really nice blush pink. So that was MANDORS. Now, here is from Remnant Kings. I love animal print. I really do, but I just don't ever like find good ones that I want to make stuff out of. I have one in like a silky fabric, which I haven't cut into yet. And then I found this one, which is actually more my colorways because I like the pops of green. Black, white, green. Those are my colors. So, yeah, this one is, what is this? This is like it's not really a viscose, but it's a polyester. So it's like, it's really drapey and like it's been printed. So happy with that. So I bought, I think 3 meters of that. Here's another viscose. I really like the viscose for summer. It's just like you can make cute little dresses and stuff. It's really flowy and it's quite thin, and that's what I want, like a nice thin material that doesn't really make me feel boiling hot. So I got this kind of like a black white little zigzag things. They had it in black with white zigzags, but I quite liked this version, so I picked up 3 meters of that. And this was in the actual remnants bin, and it's 1.5 meters and it's $5.95. And then this is like a really nice viscose as well. So I went a bit viscose crazy, but you can't always find good printed viscose. And for what I want, for like the flirty little tops and dresses I want, whenever I find a good one, I pick it up. Okay, on to one of my favourite fabrics.
First of all, let's go with this one. First of all, this is like a sheer crepe, printed crepe, a little bit of sheer. This, I was thinking of some like wide leg situation, so I got 3 meters of that. That was actually really cheap. It was like $2.99. I was like, yes, please. And then this one, I saw it and I was just like, it's like Hawaiian print, it's navy, it's white, they look like pineapples, those are leaves, that's a flower. I'm gonna buy this. And this was $5.99 a meter, and I got these ones from Fabric Bazaar, which was like the one that was a little bit out of the city centre. So I actually got 4 meters of this because, well, first of all, I wanted to make one thing out of it. Then I decided I'm going to make another thing out of it. So I need a little bit more in case I decide to make both, because you can never have enough of your favourite print of stuff. So, yeah.
So I also picked up a few patterns and some stuff from the haberdashery. I collect patterns, that's another thing, and when I have the time, sometimes I will make something from a pattern, because I'm not a super expert in sewing. I've been sewing for a long time, but I can't sew everything, so sometimes you do need a bit of direction. But if I can make it without a pattern, I will always try and do that first. But if there's something like specific, like a design feature that I want to feature and I have no idea how to do it myself, and I don't want to sit there for hours trying to do like complicated mathematics, trying to get the pattern right, that's when I'll go to a pattern. So I saw a few things that I thought, oh yeah, I like this little detail, I like that little detail, and in the instruction manual and then also with the pattern, I can look at the pattern piece and visualize how it's made. So then if I do decide to kind of like make it up as I go along, which I often do when I make stuff in the future, then at least I can use that for a reference, or at least a starting point. So I'll show you what I got now.
So picked up this one because, well, basically I saw this and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. So that is that. I also picked up this one because I really quite like this little back option. It actually looks quite easy, but I just wanted to be sure. Also the same with this little set. I thought, oh, that's nice. And then yeah, so I thought, yep, for that. And then I actually already know how to make this dress, but those ones here, I always find it quite difficult to get the shoulder to like chest ratio not so right. So I decided to basically cheat and have a look and see how it's done. And once you know how it's done, then I can just keep whipping them up. So that's pretty cool. And then I went to the haberdashery. We've got some Wonder Tape. I got some free zips. When you shop with Fabric Bazaar, she gave me a whole bunch of zips, which is cool because you can never have enough zips. So I've got a load of zips. And in here I've got some elastic thread and a few buttons. And that is my fabric haul. So guys, that was my fabric haul. It was quick and dirty, but you know, I aim to show you everything that I'm doing, even if I'm short on time. If you enjoyed this video, then you know, give it a like, let me know what you think in the comments, and of course if you haven't already, then subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be in Singapore. Ooh.